This is like the only, these are the home for the good guys. We're almost there or no? We're almost there, because I remember here. Oh yeah. Because I can see both of them. You can see, this is the home of the good guys. You guys are good guys, so this is not his home. He's here now! Ichan, you naman ni Ichan. You are super bad, okay? So this is not your home, okay? Mommy, look at this one.
Hi guys, I just want to share our MOA Gala. Hayan at hindi na nga napigilang humiga ng aming Kuya Yael. Maganda talaga kasing magpahinga dito sa place ng MOA na ito kasi from there, overlooking ang napakadaming tao sa seaside at Manila Bay. We are outside the powder drink. There's a lot of people here. So from where we are, kitang-kita ang SM MOA I and yung fun park sa may Seaside Bay kung saan pwede ding mag-enjoy ang mga family, lalong-lalo na ang mga kids. Kaya lang parang mas gusto na yatang mahiga na lang ng Dalisay Brothers. Napagod agad sila sa pag-iikot. Ang dami po kasi talagang tao. Sabi ni Kuya Guard, maganda daw pumunta doon pag weekdays para makapag-play ang mga kids sa bagong playground nila doon. Pero hindi pa daw tapos. Maybe they are also rushing it for Christmas. Meron na din silang dancing fountain on that place, kaya this place is really perfect na din naman sa family na nagpapalipas oras lang habang hinahayaang nag-iikot-ikot ang mga kids. They also have improvised falls, hagdan na nagpo-flow ang water going to that dancing fountain na nakita ninyo kanina. Tapos habang naglalakad-lakad kami, nakakita kami ng mascot. And syempre, nag-request na naman ang mga kuya to take a picture. Hindi sumama si Bunso kasi takot. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Tara, gala na tayo. Thank you for watching. Bye!